Hello, welcome to my channel. Not going to show my face today. I'm just going to do a voiceover. I'm going to make Sarawak Laksa with minimal ingredients to fix my Sarawak Laksa craving while we are still stuck at home due to movement control order. Let's unbox the Fah Mee instant Sarawak Laksa rice vermicelli. It's great to have during time like this. Many Sarawakians will stock this up and bring it with them if they have to live in places where it is impossible to get Sarawak Laksa. If you visit Sarawak and wonder what to get for your friends and family back home, you can get this for them. It is highly recommended. I only have egg and bean sprout to make Sarawak Laksa. First, prepare omelette strips. Next, cook the bihun or rice vermicelli. After that, blanch the bean sprouts. Lastly, make the broth. Add the laksa paste. Add the seasoning powder. Switch off the heat and add in coconut cream powder. Done. Ready to be served. For your information, actual Sarawak Laksa primarily consists of bihun or rice vermicelli, shredded chicken, omelette strips, blanched bean sprouts, boiled shrimps. It will be garnished with coriander leaf. You will get a small dish of sambal and also fresh lime. Oops, let's try again. For Sarawakian, do you stock this instant Sarawak Laksa at home? For those who are not from Sarawak, have you ever tried Sarawak Laksa? What do you think about it? It's many Sarawakian comfort food. Do share your experience with me in the comment section below. If you come to visit Sarawak, you should try this out. Your trip will not be completed without trying Sarawak Laksa. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at lovebellbell. Till then, see you and take care.